reach behind it.
Daddy,
Grab by
do
the
they
wings.
have hooks?
Hooks?
Fly
No.
away.
No stingers, no teeth.
What?
Grab by the wings.
Anyway, I'm too scared again. I just got freaking out again.
Well, I'm
Here, Corey, you want to try?
I'm trying to fly away.
Hold on.
What's up, Batman? You start with
Step on 'em.
I want to pick the wings off.
Don't pick them off. Hold the wings. See the wings right there?
No, I want you to put it.
That's all right. Cora wants to. I left the wings for you. No. I did. Cora, here.
No, I don't want
You just asked me to.
Maybe don't like
to. I want to slide it.
All right, I'm gonna set it right here.
Bad idea.
Hey, Cora, it's right here. Right here. Look.
Well, like I said, we relive in the Portland.
Here comes Clayton.
Stupid.
What did I say they were? Big, dumb flies. They're like big, dumb flies.
Dumb.
Now just grab by the wings. Grab by the wings. And they don't do anything. Go ahead. Who's first?
Watch this. I do. Here,
Pick 'em up.
let me try. Let me try.
That's all right. Just pick them up. Oh, don't throw them. Try again. Okay, your turn. Grab them by the wings. They can't do anything to you. Grab his wings.
No.
Clayton, you want to do it or Cora?
I do. Whoa. I scared it.
Pick them up, buddy. Just like before. Hold on to them. Go ahead. Pick them up. Go ahead. There you go. Just hold on to him. Don't let him go. See? He wiggles.